Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. It's called CoinStack. Basically this is one of the fabulous project in 2025. So guys, what if you could trade? So guys, before going to the further video, I just want to say some pain points plus their solution. So guys, first of all, the first pain point is lack of capital, because most traders have the skills but not enough money to trade big. The solution is here. Construct fund traders win up to with up to 100k dollar starting from just $19. And second pain point is highest entry in the other prop firms. Other firms charge $200 to $600 just to try, and the solution is here. Construct ELS start only on $19, lowest in the industry. And the third pain point is hidden rules and KYC. Many platforms block traders with fine print and force KYC solution. CoinStack has no hidden rules and no KYC instant access. This is very amazing. And the fourth rule is time precious. Traditional firms give you only 30 days to pass, and the solution is a coin at CoinStack. No time limit. Trade you are at one piece. And the fifth is a profit spill too low. Many firms keep a 30% to 50% profit. Solution is CoinStack lets trader keep up their 90% of profits. And sixth is the limited strategies. Some firms ban scalping, news trading, or bots. The solution is CoinStack allows all strategies: scalping, swing, day trading, even bots. And the last and the most important, lack of trust, transparency. Traders worry about their shady firms and payouts. Basically, CoinTrack is a Dubai-based transparent platform with fastest payout. So I hope you understand. Let's trade crypto with real capital, get paid daily, and keep up to 90% of your profits starting from just $19. Yes, it's starting from just $19. And well, thanks to the construct that's possible. And right now they are hosting a $800k giveaway with 100 funding account up for the grabs. Let's break down the how to can enter the why traders everyone are loving CoinStack. Basically you can check it out. I'm here on the website homepage. First of all, you can see about us, challenge, FAQ, learning hub, login, and get started. CoinStack prop where the trading skill unlock capital, 24 hours payout, transparency, layer, real capital access built for traders. Join CoinStack, access instant funding, fast payout, and elite tool for every take profit trader. No hidden commission fee, just real opportunities to trader worldwide. So you can check it out. Here you can see the know the market on their trade. First of all, you can see earn up to 90% even you share with your one of the first funding model to crypto trading. Keep up to 90% of your profit on funding account, first and flexible payout, get paid on your terms, request payout anytime after you funding the first, simple and designed for your success. Get funding account win up with up to 100k dollar. Start with account size from $6,000 to 100k dollar. Choose the level that fits your goals and scale your trading with the real opportunities. You can check it out there, post the challenge and get funding, keep your profit, and you'll be get 24/7 trading access. And you can check it out, choose your challenge here. So first of all, you can see stage 1 profit 8%, and you can see. And guys, even outside of the giveaway, CoinStack makes getting funding straightforward. First of all, phase 1 hit an 8% profit target while staying within 10% max loss. And you can check it out phase 2, and you can check it out phase 2 reach a 5% profit target, again keeping within the 10% loss limit. Pass both of and you will fund it with real capital. And remember, no time limits, you trade at your own pace. And if you are success, you can challenge fee is refunded. You can check it out the fund stage, unlimited, maximum loss 8%. And you can check it out starting is just from $19, as I already told about this. You can check it out, get funded in 10 and 3 steps. Step is very easy. First of all, you need to create your account, click on register now, then choose your challenge starting for 2k to 100k dollar. Unlock the real trading, trade smarter, meet target, no time pressure, and don't take a word for the hero from the traders. And you can check it out. There are questions also mentioned here. You can check it out full website by yourself, become the part of the new trading experience. You need to create your account, enter your first name, then enter your last name, then enter your email, then simply you need to click on get code option, and one verification code will be sent to your email. Then enter the verification code, then make a strong password, and then enter the confirm password, then enter the invitation code. Make sure join with my invitation code. I already put in my video description, and you will be get huge bonuses from the website. So welcome back guys. Here you can see my account has been successfully opened. So guys, basically before going the further video, I wanna just say why traders love the CoinStack. Basically here is why CoinStack winning over the trading community. The first thing is starting from just $19. It's mean low entry to prove your skills. Second is daily payout, request profit every single day. Keep up 90% of profit, real reward for your traders. crypto focused only. Its main trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 100 plus cryptos. All strategies allowed scalping, swing, day trading, news trading, and no restrictions. It's very good. And the transparent rule and fast onboarding, you can check it out. No hidden tricks. Scaling plan from $2k and $100k. Grow your as your success. No time limits, no challenge. Our rare feature in the prop trading. Challenge fee refunded when you pass and get refunding. That's why the traders call Construct one of the fairest and most flexible prop firms in the space in 2025. So guys, I missed something, one of the big thing. First of all, now let's talk about the big one of the 800k dollar giveaway. Basically, here is the what at stake. 100 funding accounts are being given by value of the 800k dollar. That means you could be trading with a real capital without paying for a challenge. I also told you how to enter the giveaway before. First of all, understand the website. You can check it out. New challenge, trader challenge to be active, and account billing payout and help section. So first of all, you need to click on challenge option, and you can see click on new challenge option. After clicking the challenge, successfully open. So guys, basically, so you can check it out. This is my stage 1. If you want to doing the stage, you need to just click on the challenge option, trade challenge. If you want to click on new challenge option, after clicking the challenge, you need to select your challenge here, like start, grow, advance, elite, and submit. So if I just want to click like this option, and starting is from just $19. If you want to do it here, guys, if you have any coupon code, you can enter, but you need to enter your first name, then last name, then click enter your amount, enter your country, city, subject, additional, and click on I agree, and then click on crypto payment, then click on place order. After clicking the place order, and you can check it out, and your order will be successfully placed. After that, you need to just send the payment here, like USDT, TRC20, ERC20, BP20, Solana, Optimism, and Arbitrum network. Then if I just like select ERC20, then I click on reconfirm, and I need to just send the payment within 30 minutes, and use the transfer address. Please complete the payment within 30 minutes, and you need to just copy this address, go to your wallet, and you can also scan the QR code. After that, I already deposit the payment, and I just click on account option. Then here you can see, then I show that you can check it out challenge. When your amount is successfully added, like something will be shown, you need to just click on then trade option. After clicking the trade, you can also trade it and unlimited, and you can check it out. This is the official. So this is the main part of the video. You can see, you can check it out, their market trigger limit. You can check it out available USDT. I have amount like something, and if you want to trade like BTC, USDT, and you can also choose the other crypto coins, like I just click on BTC. Then if you want to enter your amount here, like I just enter like $100, and I click on buy long option, and simply click on confirm option, and you can check it out. My order has been successfully placed, and you can see my total PNL and each and everything show here, and you can see I have just got this in lost, but 90% you will be get profit in this project, but do at your own risk. If you have any trading knowledge, then you can do it easily. You can check it out, my order has been placed. If I want to stop, you can also check it out, close all, close, add margin, reverse. You can also add the margin here. If you want to sell short, if you want to simply like I just click on the close all, I need to just click on close, and you can check it into the price here, and liquidity amount, like I just click on the 100%, then I click on the confirm and enter the price, like I have a $100, and just I click on confirm option. After clicking order close successfully, and my complete amount has been added in my account. If you want to like this, I just click on sell short option, and then I click on sell short. Basically today the videos, I don't want to do this video very long. I just doing like a demo because you need to I want to explain you each and everything here, and you can see you can do by your trading by your own experience, our knowledge. If you have any knowledge in trading, then you do it easily. If you don't have any knowledge, then you need to understand what is your trading, and then you can do it in this project. So at this moment, I just make another order, and you can see this is official chart is also mentioned here. You can also trade other coins like Ethereum, LTC, BCH, AUS, and you can do it by yourself, like your trading knowledge. And you can check it out there, like price prediction is also right here. That's it. This is the trader to be active failed billing. If I click on the billing option, and you can check it out the billing view pay, and you can see my pending payment and processing, and click if I want to click on payouts. And sorry, this page access only for trader.
So guys, basically this is official X account. Here you can check it out. Construct prop trading, improving the trading to grow real capital, real payout, trade crypto, get funded up to $100k. Basically how to enter the giveaway. First of all, entering in the giveaway simple and task just a few minutes. First of all, you need to follow X account. Simply click on follow option. After following, you need to follow their Telegram and Discord server. This is official Discord. After the following, like and comment and tag boost of your winning chances. Still live Construct, one $800K funded account giveaway, 100 account giveaway. Take a part of the following. Follow the Telegram plus Discord channel. Like at least 3 posts on X and tag your friends under the post and sign it, and you will be in the participant. This is official Instagram. You need to just click on follow option. And guys, I already tell about all these things, and also I just wanna say crypto focus. This project based on crypto focused all strategies, transparent, as I already mentioned each and everything in the previous video. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.